So first we have to open our battery of Lenovo laptop and we have to remove all the screw from it. So let's be now simply slide this like this and it's open. See, now we have to open the keyboard button. Now we have to open the keyboard screw. So there is keyboard screw. Seeing this? Watch it carefully because there are 3 screws, 1, 2 and here are the third one. Did you see this? So open it. So after removing the screw we have to push our keyboard from the button. So we have to take this sharp and we have to push it from back like this, popping up. After pushing from back we have got this like, and we have to slowly we have to do this. Slowly move your screw or use this type. Slowly move this and we have removed the keyboard. So slowly we create new and pull it out and we have to remove this and we have to remove this slot. First remove these strips and then this is. So after removing this we have only the option to change this because this cannot be repaired. So or you can use USB keyboard from this because this is giving the problem that the keys are not working and actually my keyboard is working now properly because I clear some of dust in this strips, so it's working now properly. There is no need to change this. I have just tried and it's working best. So you can repair your keyboard as like this. Just clean these strips and some dust from this and this is working properly. Let's see this and we can write something. Just open up some terminal. Right, it's working all properly. See this? Let me check the num clock. Okay, it's working properly. Caps clock working properly. So this is the way you can change and do one thing. Just if you have dryer, then clean like this because the dust will be changed. So guys, like and subscribe for more and new videos.